Hello, I am Hritu Kaushal and this video is for aura cleaning. Please close your eyes. Be focused in the center of your heart. Now, inhale, exhale. Now say silently, I call all the angels of aura cleaning from the universe to be here with me now and clean my aura completely. Release everything negative from my aura. Bless me with purity, peace, and loving kindness. Thank you, thank you, thank you. Om. It is done, it is done, it is done. Thank you very much, all angels, archangels, and Hritu Kaushal for this wonderful aura cleaning meditation. Thank you.